So I just went to scout out some county land. It's about a week before turkey season for me up in Ontario. I don't know, I gave a few calls. Nothing responded. It's a little late now, but you know, this property, it's all cornfield that some guy leases, and then it's forest, so you'd think, you know, turkeys would be here, but some guy just told me that opening day there's like 50 people here, so who knows. But I'm gonna check other spots and hopefully I get a turkey to gobble or something like that, you know. Because I didn't hear no turkey doesn't mean they're not here. So I'm gonna check out other spots. I found some turkey footprints. A lot of deer action here. I mean, you'd think there wouldn't be, right? But you know, I'm not gonna put this place aside. Maybe next time, or one time this week, I'm gonna come in early morning and see if I could hear some turkeys gobbling. But right now it's like 10 a.m. It's a little quiet. And there's a lot of deer stands here, so it's probably going to be a lot of pressure. But on to the next land. Yeah. So I just hit up the other two places I wanted to check out. There's some guy dirt biking, and then the other one just had too many people. I yelped at both of them, but no responses. I didn't even see any turkey prints or anything. But I'm at my last spot where I heard a gobble a few weeks ago, and also seen some prints. I mean, it's quiet. It's very quiet here, and it's next to like a little grass field that you can hunt on, but you can hunt off it. So I'm gonna head down to that spot, maybe glass a bit, and do some yelps. Maybe something might hear me and come in, and this will guarantee the spot, but who knows. You know, nothing got back, but you know, I heard turkeys here a few weeks ago, and I don't want to give up just because I don't hear them at 11 o'clock when I'm calling them, right? So I'm gonna walk a bit down to where the forest ends and meets the grass, and that's where I saw the deer run. And so maybe it's like a little safe haven for some turkey, and if I call there, maybe I could call one out, or at least hear one. If I hear one, I'll come back here and hunt that area. But that's really what you gotta do, is you gotta just, you know, try different things. Don't give up. You know, if you don't hear anything and you just give up and go to the next spot, then there's a chance you're probably missing on something good. So I'm just gonna keep working this place till I'm certain that there's no turkeys here. Here we go. Fall. Boy. You know, one good rule when you're scouting is, especially on public land or county land, is go where other people won't. Walk through dense bush if you have to, just like that, or through puddles like that. It's an easy way to beat your competition, and that's probably where the turkeys or whatever you're going for will be, right? You know, nothing gobbled back, but found a good spot. I think I might hit up a little later in the season. just near that field, maybe about 100 yards, and somebody kind of marked the trail there already, so it's easy to get to. But I don't know. I found some scratches and some footprints. Couldn't tell what it was, so I'm not gonna write this place off, but I don't think it's an opening day place, you know. But that's the whole point of scouting. So I'm here with Jesse right now, scouting on another land. We just bumped into a turkey walking in. We found a lot of leeks. So yeah, so this is gonna be the spot where we hunt for sure. We're gonna look for better spots. There's a cornfield right at the edge where we can hunt. So I don't know. I think this place is gonna be money, dude.
Hope so.
But we're gonna do a nice recipe for sure. They're absolutely monsters. Pick just a few of the big boys. They're so deep, it's so hard to kind of pull them out.
Look at this. There's like a full finger in.
Yeah, it's hard. You could just snap them if you want, but you want that little garlicky spot.
Oh, man.
Amazing. So these are the little false ones. These ones you don't want to pick. They got little spots on them. Forgot what they're called. Purple something or violet something. I don't know. But these are money, right? Look at that. Juicy. You're gonna be able to see, but there's just leeks everywhere. This is great. This is gonna be a great spot. I know. I picked like a handful, more than a handful already, so I'm gonna stop picking those. Maybe come back another time. But there's just too much. Like, it's insane. I don't think anybody picks it either, eh?
I doubt it.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man. It looks like grass.
Like, look at that. Like, you're asking for it. You're asking for it, buddy. They're deep though, so I can't get them from the ball. You know, see, I screwed that one up. I know, I didn't bring a knife. I didn't even know they were gonna be here. I'm running out of room in my pocket. Juicy. Look at this guy. Look. Pick me. Look at this guy, bro. Pick me. I just snap them off. This is not how you're supposed to do it, but here you go. I got the bulb a bit.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Get lucky. It's so nice. It smells so good. So we're hearing the gobbler right now. Just want to see if he responds to us if it comes in. Yeah, that's a woodpecker. Yeah. Might even get anything come from behind too. Too windy.
I want to try to make
It's
it.
a nice big open area that way.
Yeah, too. But there's a path this way too.
And the path that way. This forest is massive.
My fault.
I don't know.
Hard to tell with the wind.
Yeah.
Let's try to make up some ground on them. See what happens.
Run and gun, eh? Well, that's the thing. See, we'll call him in, and if he's not coming in or he's hand up or something, we'll run and gun. You know? It's not much, but this is a big area. If there's other hunters here, which there might be. I don't know. We gotta up our game, up our calling. You know? Do some practice on your way home. See when it's good to gobble and stuff like that. If we're not responding to yelp. Good news everybody. Honey hole, look at this. Look at this patch. Right near a tree. These are massive. Yeah, I'm grabbing some. Like right in the tree, these ones. That's the field where we just saw the turkey coming in. It was like what, 10:30, 11? So we're gonna set up. This is where we can hunt. Right over there a bit, about 35 yards from the trail here. Maybe put decoys right here, and then we're golden. All right.
You need decoys?
Oh yeah, I got two. Yeah, I got two. We don't need that much.
I got the 80 and X ones.
Maybe 2 hens and a gobbler.
Yeah.
And a jig. But yeah, so I went to 5 places scouting, as you've probably seen already, and I didn't see much sign. And I decided to try this one last spot a little bit further, and we saw a turkey, and I got some wild leeks out of it. So, you know, that's what's important in turkey scouting. If you got nothing to do during April and your turkey season didn't start yet, then go with scouting. Go with scouting, and have a great time, right, buddy?
Exactly, buddy. Get out of the house.
Get out of the house right now.
Go for a walk.
Honestly, it's
enjoy the outdoors.
Yeah, it's a weird time. Weird time we live in. So before our hunting gets canceled here in Ontario, we're just taking advantage of it. Really. Yeah. See you in the kitchen. So after doing some turkey scouting today, we're able to get a lot of these leeks right here. Now, these things are kind of like in the onion and garlic family. I mean, they smell like garlic and onion combined. I don't even think I've ever like had them before, but these, like, a lot of people are, you know, picking them during this time of year, and they love them in salads. They love them in, you can put them in oil. Yeah, you can mix it with all your ingredients. So I don't really have any plans what I'm gonna do with them right now. I mean, I was thinking of making a salad. Maybe I might, but right now I think these go great with a turkey recipe I'm thinking about. So I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag. I washed them. I put them in a salad, those little salad spinners. I didn't really pat them down or anything. I just washed all the dirt off. So pretty easy. They smell incredible. Like, my whole basement smells like onions right now. So I'm just gonna grab a regular Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put some in here. And if you want to put them nice, go ahead. But I'm just kind of squeezing, folding them in here. Now, when you pick these, you're supposed to pick them like that. Well, I didn't. They're really deep. Like, what sticks out is like right up to here, right? So they're really deep in the ground. So it's hard to kind of just yank them out, especially when the ground's a little bit frozen. So I just kind of picked them out, and I got lucky with this one, but they all ended up like this. But when you do it this way, they'll grow back. So it's kind of, you know, some people will just pick a bunch of these because this is actually the more, you know, oniony part. Great for oil, seasonings, all stuff like that. And this is more of the salad part, of course. It's kind of like the part of the green part of the chive or something like that, but a little bit broader leaves. But yeah, I had nothing on me. We were just turkey scouting and stumbled upon these, so that's what we got. Like I said, I'm gonna freeze some, just like that, and then maybe I'm gonna make something quick with it. Chop it up, put a bunch in a bag, add them to like a little garnish or something. Put on a steak, put on some turkey if we get some, stuff like that. These are just, they smell incredible, and they're everywhere. Like, I couldn't find them in so many parks, and then as soon as I went into the hardwoods, they were just everywhere, covering everywhere. It was crazy. So I'm happy I found these. But I'm gonna get these packed away, and then we'll see what we're gonna do with the rest of them. So I just put these ramps in bags like that, made them a little airtight. What I'll probably end up doing with these is I'll put them in like a fruit processor. I'll grind it all up. You can make them into a paste, add a little oil in there, and you're fine. With these, I'm thinking that with some of them I'm gonna add to a salad that I'm eating for dinner, and then the rest here, so I'll add maybe like that much. And then the rest here, I'm gonna chop up finely. And then I'm gonna maybe put in another bag and use them as like a garnish. Leave them in the fridge for a few days and just garnish it over any food I got, really. Mostly meat, right? But, you know, very easy, simple. Pull them all to the ground, wash them, put them in a Ziploc bag. You can keep them in your freezer for as long as you like. You're fine. Turn them into an oil. Make soup, make, I don't know, anything you want on them, salads. That's what I'll probably end up doing with these, but very simple. And you could kind of get a bunch of them just together at the ends. Chop it up like chives. There you go, so you could kind of dress this over a salad, or some meat, or some maybe cold pasta or something like that. These I'll probably eat whole just the way they are. And you can save some for later. So pretty much if you're bored in April and your turkey season hasn't started yet, go scouting, find some leeks, pick them up, bring them home, save them for later, or eat it with your dinner, whatever you're gonna have, and keep yourself busy. Some weird times we're having right now, so even if you're able to go by yourself to a nearby park or anything like that, it's good enough. But next time you see me, you'll probably see me with a turkey, hopefully. So I'll see you guys next time.